Hello, welcome back. So in this lesson, we are going to be covering the offset entity tool. So to start, let's start a sketch on the top plane, sketch, and now let's draw a line. Draw a line somewhere here, and let's draw a rectangle somewhere here, and let's draw a circle somewhere here. So we have that. So you have your offset entity over here. So when you click it, and you will select what distance you want to offset. So let's select 0.5. And now when I select this line, you can see the offset entity is offsetting this line 0.5. So you have a couple of options. You can reverse where you want to offset the line, and you can also do offset it 0.5 in both directions, so it's like 0.25 on each ends. So that's the options you have, and we're just gonna click OK. And the same thing works for this. We're gonna do offset entity 0.5. we select that line, and it's offsetting the entire triangle. You have the option to do that, or you can uncheck the select chain, and it only offsets that line. So, and again, you have your reverse, and you have your bi-directional. So we're gonna leave the chain on to offset that, and the circle works the same way. You can select offset the circle 0.5. you can reverse it to the inside and reverse it to the outside. So that is how the offset entity works. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.